So Roadside Whirlpool dumpster microwave. It's plugged in, completely dead. Of course it's missing the plate and the little thing that goes here in the center. People always seem to like to keep that as a memory of their old microwave. And this thing is gone. Let's pop it open and see what the problem is. I think it's just a fuse that got open. We'll probably replace the fuse and do a little bit of testing, see if it pops again or if it was just the fuse that got tired. Believe it or not, these Chinese fuses and Chinese parts have some cool features. And yes, Chinese fuses get tired or get worn out and they pop for no reason. They don't need excessive current draw to pop. They simply do it because they are tired. They say, yeah, I'm not working anymore, I'm done, and pop. So I bet it has an open fuse. We're going to replace it and test it. Let's pop the cover and see what's inside. So our microwave consists of the grill heating element, magnetron. This is what produces the microwaves to heat the food on microwave mode. This is just for toasting stuff. It's a heating element. Got our mains coming in. We got some filter caps, an inductor. Got our mains coming out. We have our fuse, cooling fan, high voltage transformer, capacitor, our diode right here, protection. Inside this plastic black thing there is a fuse for the high voltage that goes to the magnetron. So if the microwave powers up but does not heat, we will always want to check that fuse. We have our control board. This is electronic. This is like a timer. Switches the transformer on and off at intervals depending on the power that you select right here, and it also controls the time. We have our light bulb so you can see what you are burning inside it, and it's pretty much it. So this thing has no power. No power means that probably this fuse is open. Let's see if I can do this while filming. Right here, multimeter on beep mode, continuity beeping mode. Yes, it beeps. Open fuse. So let's get a replacement fuse. Let's test it for a while, and if it passes, it's good. So we got here a replacement fuse fitted. And let's apply power. 3, 2, 1, and it seems to be working for now. Let's see if I can learn how to use this thing. This control is a bit touchy. It's not gonna be easy. Why doesn't it go? Oh, okay. 20 seconds. Jet start. I don't want to start any jet. The hell? Door. There you go. Here's some marking. That's nice. Probably blown up magnetron. Let's see if it explodes. It'll be fun. Nope, did not explode unfortunately. Shut up. Stop. We want more time. This thing's not cooperating. Come on. You don't want to work more than 20 seconds, do you? Oh, 30, 35. This thing's ridiculous. 40, come on. 50, yeah. Come on. Come on, more. Okay. No more arcing. Seems to be working fine now. Maybe it was just a little bit of dirt inside of the cover. I can hear the transformer humming, so it's heating up. We have here my yogurt that I have already drank. See if it hits the package. Still moist inside, so. And no, I'm not gonna get any type of cancer by standing here. This is not ionizing radiation. And this thing is smoking as hell and completely melted. So I'm going to call this one fixed. The magnetron tip seems to be fine. Let's see if I can show it to you. That silver cylinder thing in the middle, it's not burned or broken. Be careful if you ever disassemble a microwave, because after that cylinder there is typically a white or pink ceramic type material, and that is carcinogenic. You can get cancer if you inhale that. You get lung cancer, so be extremely careful when disassembling stuff like this. And everything seems to be fine with it. I'm going to heat up some stuff and see if it holds on. I'm going to lubricate this knob, see if I can get it to work. And if somebody here in the neighborhood is needing a microwave, they can have this for free. Well, I removed the control panel and I poured a little bit of lacquer thinner on top of this thing, and now it feels much better. Lacquer thinner is not by any means the appropriate contact cleaner, because it melts plastics. But who cares? If this works, it's fine. If it doesn't work, it's also fine. I just don't care about this thing. I think it will work. Feels much nicer now, much more clicky. Let's see, let's assemble it and test. Well, it's all assembled. Actually, it's missing more than half of the screws that it had originally, but who needs so many screws, right? And look at this. Our lacquer thinner looks to be a miracle maker, because this thing is operating flawlessly now. I like this jet start function. Let's start our jet door. This has a bad contact in the door. This thing has bad contacts everywhere. There you go. It's working flawlessly. Well, now I just need to find someone to adopt this thing. I don't think I will have too much trouble donating it. I'm gonna pop the cover back on and see you next time.